Alright, here goes a 2-minute challenge for the Instatent.
It went black. The screen went black.
Yeah, you just touch it. So it's the 10-person half-dark rest instant cabin tent. So it's nice and dark, so you can sleep in the morning. Sun doesn't get in. It comes with a rain fly, which I haven't put in yet. You gotta stake it down too. Here's a rain fly. Oops. Here's the inside. It looks bigger when it's staked out. So anyway, so all these things open up. Maximum air. You end up with pretty well that goes inside. There's the next, like the room, the sleeping dark room. These things open up also. There's little storage bags on both sides. So this is a tent that turns into a screen tent. So I'm gonna stake it out and put the flight tent, the flight cover on, and I'll get back to you. Okay, it's all staked out, nice and tight, looking good. Dark tent, and it's also got a little side air pocket. You can just tie this up so you can get some air. What else we got? See these things here? You can tie them up and you can get some air like when you're sleeping. And unlike the Coleman one I was going to get, and when it rained, all the rain came inside here. The zippers go on the outside, so when it rains, the rain doesn't come in. And it's really good stitching, double stitching all around. Nice joints. I heard the poles were flimsy by one person on Amazon, but they seem okay to me. Pretty sturdy. And now that it's staked out, let's see what it looks like inside. Oh yeah, it looks much bigger. Look at that, holy crap. Who wants to rent a cabin? I know. And obviously you can stand right up. I can stand it right up and get all the room. No problem. And there's more storage bags on both sides here. Another window. Take them down and they go inside. They have little pouches for them. Just make sure, like, before you go to sleep, if there's rain in the forecast, make sure everything is closed, which brings us to the flight tent. So I'm gonna get back to you as soon as I get that up. The flight tent is up. There's a little hole for an extension cord somewhere too. Probably in the front.
Over here on this side.
Where?
Are you gonna see the little plug?
Where's that?
Right there on the top.
Oh, where?
Over there.
Oh, okay, there it is. Somehow you get a plug in here. How do you do that?
You just through the bottom?
What bottom?
No. Where the patch is. There's on the bottom, actually, the patch.
I'm not sure what you're saying.
Here.
Oh, you do it. Oh, okay. You have to go underneath here.
Nope, just right there.
Okay,
There's Velcro.
there you go. Yep, I knew that. I just want to see if she figured it out. Okay, so that's with the flight tent. good. One more look inside. Holy crap, look at the size of this thing.
That's a good thing. I've never seen one like that before. I mean, the other sorry ass ones you have to crawl on the ground and everything else to get in.
Oh yeah, the thing wasn't even on. What are you laughing at? Hey? So yeah. This looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. You can have a table and a chair and play with your laptop on each side here. If it rains, you can sit inside and cook or watch TV.
Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this product review, please smash that like button and subscribe to see more. Thank you, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers.